Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable auto crossfade in Premiere Pro, beginner guide step by. To disable auto crossfade in Premiere Pro, start by launching the application. Open the project you're working on. Select the audio track where you want to disable auto crossfade. Right-click on the audio track in the timeline. From the context menu, choose the option labeled Audio Gain. A dialog box will appear, displaying various audio options. Look for the crossfade settings within the audio options. Uncheck any boxes that indicate auto crossfade is enabled. Click OK to confirm your changes. Next, navigate to the Preferences menu. You can find this under the Edit menu on Windows or the Premiere Pro menu on Mac. In the Preferences window, select the Audio tab. Scroll through the audio settings until you reach the crossfade options. Ensure that all instances of auto crossfade are disabled. Click OK to exit the preferences. Return to the timeline and check whether the auto crossfade is disabled on your audio clips. Play back the audio to confirm the changes have taken effect. You can now edit your audio tracks without the distraction of auto crossfade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.